welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos on beauty, fashion, hauls, vlogs, all sorts of things. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. And before we get into it, I just want to say that I had asked Emily for some high-waisted trousers for work, for the office. So I blame myself for some of these mistakes. But as always, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I really appreciate all your comments. This one was very interesting, to say the least. So definitely appreciate your comments. Let me know what you think. Also at the end of the video, I'll let you know what I decided to keep and what I paid for each item, if I decided to keep anything or not. Everything that I talk about I will have listed below in the description box. If I can't find the item, I will try and find something similar. In case you guys aren't part of Trunk Club, you can just go ahead and hit the link if you are interested in any of these items and you can purchase them yourself. So let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is this jean jacket right here. It's kind of got like rose gold buttons. It's kind of a short-waisted jean jacket, really cute, super simple, a little bit of fading here. This is the 1901 crop denim jacket in the weekend wash, and this is $79. So the price is right. I'll be trying everything on right here next to me and let me know what you guys think of every item. I think this is super cute. I just have like 3 or 4 jean jackets already. I really don't need another one, but if I did, this one is really cute and the price is right, under $100 for a nice quality jean jacket. A little different look because it's a little more cropped, so I do like it. But like I said, I already have a few, so I doubt I'll be keeping this. I like the different detail here with the rose gold buttons. I have not seen that, but again, I already have 3 or 4, so probably won't be keeping this one. Okay, the next item is a super basic, and it is this white top right here. 1901 Bateau neck tee in white in a size small, and this is $45. And it's got a little detail here with the yellow. I don't necessarily like that though, because it kind of looks like I got makeup on it or something when you have it on. I don't know. I don't really need that detail right there, but it's a little different. It's just a super basic white 3/4 sleeve kind of like t-shirt. I've probably got 2 or 3 of these type shirts. I don't need another one. And this one, being that it's $45, I really don't think it's worth it. It's a nice, you can tell it's a nice material, nice fabric, super soft. But I think I can probably get something like this for 25 or 30 bucks. So at the most. So I really don't think I need it, but it's a very basic tee, and I definitely think everybody needs something like this in their wardrobe because I think it just goes with everything. Okay, so the next item is this navy blue short sleeve sweater. And it's kind of got a little knot tie right there. This is the Halogen twist front cotton sweater in navy in a size small, and this is $49. I think it's super cute. Again, another basic. I'm not a big fan of navy though. I think it's a nice color. I like the style. I like the little knot right here. Just very simple in the back. Just not a huge fan of the navy. I don't know, it just doesn't really do anything for me, but let me know what you guys think of that little top. These are by Topshop, and these are the wide crop utility trousers. These kind of like plaid pants. They have some pleating right here. Not a fan of pleats. I don't know if those are kind of coming back in style. Have a little detail here, pockets. Got a little fold up bottom right there. Just like super lightweight, airy. They feel really, really nice for a pair of dress pants. They just don't look good on me, in my opinion. I want to find the right high-waisted, you know, trouser, but I don't think these are it. I think I'm a little too short for these. They just don't look right. They probably should be a little more cropped on me. Maybe I could fold them up at the bottom a little bit more. I think they're a good concept. They just don't play out right on my frame. But let me know what you guys think about these. Again, I think the print is nice. It's just very basic. You could wear it with a lot of different things. Just don't think they look right on me at all. I hate the pleats. This is the Bobeau eyelet ruffle sleeve top in white in a size small, and this is $49. Again, I think it's cute, maybe on somebody else. These sleeves do nothing for me. It just makes me look horrific. It looks like I'm gonna fly away. I'm a butterfly. I don't know. It just does not work on me at all. If I were to wear it with jeans or something, I might be able to pull it off, but these sleeves just overwhelm my frame. I think they're just too big, too fluttery. I've never really been a fan of this kind of sleeve, so I don't think it looks good. That price for 50 bucks. I mean, I like the detail. It's, you know, it's pretty with the eyelet, but for 50 bucks, again, even if it was $10, I wouldn't buy this. Just does not look good on me, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, so these are the wide crop utility trousers by Topshop in olive, and these are 60 bucks. The other ones were 68, so forgive me for that. I'll have the right information detailed below. Kind of hard to keep track of all these items, and these are both from Topshop. So again, wide crop utility trousers from Topshop in olive, $60 for these. Again, more pleats and high-waisted. On me, not a good match. They're cute. They have nice pockets in the back. I do love the wide leg, but again, I think for my frame, these just do not work. I love the color. The material is kind of like a polyester material, so it's not too heavy. I think they're cute. I just, again, they just do not work for me. I really don't know if high-waisted trousers are going to work for me. I don't know. High-waisted jeans seem to work okay, but so far with these, just not working. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like pleats. No. Okay, this is the Gibson X Living in Yellow Aran crossover tunic in poppy in a small P for $48. This is actually one of my favorite things in the trunk this month. I didn't think I would like it very much. I'm not one for super bright colors, but this kind of like poppy fuchsia color, pink, whatever you want to call it, I think is really, really pretty. I like the sleeve now for spring. I really like that. I like the detail over here at the bottom. I think it's kind of different. I think the color really pops too with black pants, even the jeans that I'm trying it on with. I think it really pops. I think it looks really pretty. I think it's versatile. I think I could take it into summer. I think this top is super nice. 48's not bad, but we'll see. Again, I'll let you know at the end of the video what I decided to keep. Okay, this is the Adidas Originals Trefoil Tee in, it says in white, maybe just because it has this in white. And this is $35. Just your average basic t-shirt. Love the color, love the style. I kind of wanted it to be a bit oversized. I like to wear these type of things with leggings typically. So I don't know. I'm debating on this one. I like it. My husband really likes it. He thought it looked really cute. I think I would get a lot of use out of it. I'm just used to wearing a little bit more of an oversized tee, but this would be really cute even in the fall and winter with like a cardigan over top, a jacket, whatnot. This is a really good quality. It's not one of those like super soft ones that are thin material. I mean, I think it's like more durable, but it is still super soft and really nice. And the price isn't bad. 1901 high waist crop wide leg pants in tan for $89. And it's these pants right here. It's just kind of like your average pair of like a high-waisted khaki pant. I actually really like these. I like that they don't have pleats, so that's a score. They're a little bit tight. That's probably not a big deal. I just don't know that the wide leg necessarily looks that great on me. Again, these need to be more cropped, and they're pretty much like an ankle size on me because I'm so stinking short. So I don't know that they look the best. I think they're a little bit expensive at $89 just for a pair of khaki pants. I don't know that I would pay that, but it's a good material. I like it. I like the wide seam at the bottom there. I think that's cool. I think you could wear these with a lot of different things. I think you could even do like a little white t-shirt, some white sneakers. I think that would look really cute. Probably just not on me, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about some of these looks on me. I just don't think that they really look the best. And the last clothing item I'll show you guys are these pants. Okay, these are the Leith high waist crop wide leg pants in white in a size small, and these are $79. Like that. And just a kind of a wide leg pant. They feel a little bit like a linen material or something similar. I definitely think they need to be ironed. There's the back. I love the wide leg look. These kind of like eat me up as well. They're cute. I just don't think I'd get a lot of wear out of them. I could wear them to the office, but really the only thing you could wear these with, in my opinion, is like a white little t-shirt or maybe a pink little t-shirt, some sandals. I just don't think I'd get any wear out of it. I think it's not something that I could wear every week. Like, it's maybe to wear to like a bridal shower or a nice brunch or something like that. They'd be pretty. But I just definitely don't think they look good on me. Again, a fail in the pants department in this trunk for sure. Not blaming Emily at all. I had asked for some high-waisted, nice trousers, pants for work, etc. But definitely, I don't think that these will work for me. Okay, and the last two items are shoes. First, it's these little Steve Madden sandals. You guys have probably seen these all over Instagram, all over social media. They're super, super popular. They're really nice. Are the Steve Madden Irene ankle strap sandal in tan, size 7. These are on sale for $68.98. So I think the price is right on, perfect. And I like the heel. It's not too high, not too low. Love it. Love the little strap right here. I love the way this looks in front, but I think they're gonna get dirty really quick, really easy. And I just bought a pair of sandals from Nordstrom that looks super, super similar to this, except they're leather. So I know I won't be keeping these, but if I hadn't just gotten the other ones, I probably would keep them because I think the price is right. I think they're super cute, and the only thing I'm kind of iffy about is the suede. But you just have to be careful with it, maybe wipe it down, you know, try and keep them nice. But they'd probably be really good for the office if you can wear open-toed sandals to your office. I think they'd be super cute, and again, the price is right on, and it would go with everything. These super cool sneakers right here. You can see they've got a lot of different colors. Like a stripe at the back. There's the bottoms. Ultra comfortable. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I have been looking for a like nudish pair of sneakers that are ultra comfortable. I've never heard of this brand. This is the APL Sneakers Pro running shoe in the color multi, size 7, $160. So they're a little bit too pricey for me for a sneaker. I'm usually at about 100, 120. That's where I kind of max out on a sneaker. Again, I get sick of things. I just don't feel like I'm going to spend 160 bucks. And with them being kind of that multi-color, I think I'm going to be limited in what I can wear. Obviously with jeans, obviously a white t-shirt, black, etc. But again, I think I'm going to be pretty limited in what I can wear. But they're super lightweight. If you're looking for just an everyday cute sneaker that's very comfortable, I would say this one hits the mark. I just think it's a little too pricey, so I'll probably end up passing on these. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think on the color and the style and the price. Okay, so that is my entire trunk for the month of May. Unfortunately, I am going to have to give it a thumbs down for me, not because of my stylist, not because of Trunk Club, anything like that, not because of the quality. It just, the items were not for me at all. There's probably maybe 2 or 3 things that I might keep, but I'm not quite sure, but stay tuned till the end of the video. If you guys saw my Stitch Fix video for May, I just kind of put it out there that I'm going to be a lot pickier as to the items that I'm going to start keeping. In the past, I used to keep multiple items, but right now I think I'm just going to take a look at what I really need, what I'm going to use over and over again. Again, I get really tired of clothes pretty quickly, and so I want to get trendy pieces and so forth, but I also want to get stuff that's going to last over time and that I'm going to really love. And so I'm really looking for that like unicorn piece that I can't live without. And unfortunately, this trunk didn't have any one piece that I was like really drawn to. So again, I'm just going to be really picky. I don't need to be spending hundreds of dollars on things that I already have and that just doesn't hit the mark for me just because it's kind of cute. But I am going to keep getting Trunk Club Stitch Fix, and I have one more style box coming, and you guys will be seeing that within the next couple of weeks too. It's brand new, and so I'm going to be trying that out just to see what that's all about, and we will see what that brings. So anyway, if you guys like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.